What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Litecoin because right now we are testing this really important resistance area on the daily time frame. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. Right now, we are testing, as I said, this resistance area, which is between levels $115 and $105. Also, you can see that historically we are here in this sideways channel. And the main support that I'm currently watching is this bullish order block between levels $68 and $61. So the main setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation. Another important area that you need to watch is this second order block on a daily time frame, and this order block is between levels 134 and 125. So the exact trade can then look, for example, like this. Stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be again breakdown and then resistance confirmation, then we are probably gonna test the support area. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary, and your last take profit targets you can place above this bearish order block on the daily time frame, and this order block is between levels 231 and 219. So potentially we are aiming here for a risk reward ratio around 10.27. But as I said, this order block is important area that you need to watch. So definitely some of the profits take under this bearish order block and then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. On the other hand, there is also important to take another take profit target. So some of the profits I would definitely take somewhere in this area, then somewhere in this area, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 10.27 approximately, the risk reward ratio can be, let's say, around 7.5, which is in my opinion still really good. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on this potential setup, because if we take a quick look on Litecoin from a long time perspective, I will describe it in more detail later in this video. You can see that this coin is from the all-time high still down around like 75%, which is really undervalued. So yeah, I definitely think that in the upcoming weeks or months this move is definitely possible if we will confirm and support the important resistance areas. In case of a resistance confirmation, this can also give us a good opportunity to open here a short trade. So if there will be right now that resistance confirmation, you can open here a short trade, and here you have like two options where you can put your stop loss. The first, more safe option will be to put it above this bearish order block, and let's say more risky option will be to put it above this previous high that we created during this testing. And the last take profit targets you can place above this bullish order block. So if you will choose, let's say, more risky stop loss, the risk reward ratio will be around 6.2, which is like really good for a short trade. But if we will place it above it, then the risk reward ratio will be only 3.5, and with a trade like this I am not willing to take this type of risk reward ratio. So in my opinion, it will be better to take slightly higher risk with better risk reward ratio. So yeah, that's another potential setup that you can take here. And also with that high risk reward ratio you can take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can take somewhere around here, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. Another potential setup that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a testing this bullish order block. You can see that here we have another order block which is between levels $52 and $48, and this will be, in my opinion, absolutely the best opportunity to open here a long trade, of course if we are gonna test this area. But if we will, I will be creating here a really big position, and the reason is pretty simple. You can see that on the daily time frame we create here like really important lows. So a lot of people who are opening here some long positions, they probably put their stop losses somewhere under this area. And you can see that other important lows we are having also here. So if we are gonna test this area, then this can be absolutely insane opportunity to open here a long trade, because if you will place the stop loss just under it, your stop loss is around like 9% of the net market move. And with your last take profit target, you can, for example, speculate above this bearish order block area. Or if you want to create really long-term trade, you can speculate to hit, let's say, this bearish order block, which will give you estimated risk reward ratio around 34.84. And yeah, that's like absolutely insane. But as I said, in my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna test this area. So me personally, I am also watching here this bullish order block as another potential, let's say, opportunity to open here a long trade. But this time you need to speculate again for that higher take profit target, and this time it will give you a risk reward ratio like 16.27, which is again really good. But also in this case, don't forget to take multiple take profit targets. So definitely large amount of the profits take under these two bearish order block, let's say around 60% of the entire trade, and then you can take also some of the profits in this area. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 16, if you will take a lot of profits here, then the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 10, which is on the other hand still really good. So yeah, that's another potential long scenario that I'm currently watching here. Before this video continues, I just want to share with you my actual stats from my trading account, because nowadays there are a lot of people who are doing this trading educational content, but those people are usually not profitable traders, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So right now you can see my actual stats from my copy trading account. You can see how many trades I taken, what's my win rate, what's my ROI, etc. And if you, for example, want to learn how to trade, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can simply DM me on my Discord and we will definitely figure something out. And also I want to add that you can verify this data publicly, because this is my copy trading account on a Bluffin exchange, and you can simply find my trading account there, and yep, you can verify these data. To be honest, I think that the most probable scenario is that breakout and support confirmation. So the first trading scenario that I showed you in this video is probably that one that I am gonna take, because in the long time perspective, whole market is in the uptrend right now. So I'm not expecting some big, let's say 30 to 50% price reversal, but still certain condition needs to be met. So right now I am definitely not planning open here that long trade, because still we are under important resistances. But once there is a breakout and support confirmation, we will get into an area where historically we don't have here that much liquidity. So I think that for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves and then reach these higher levels. So yeah, that's currently the main trading scenario that I'm watching. From a long time perspective, if we will switch to a weekly time frame, you can see, as I said, this coin is like super undervalued. And this means that for a long time trades, we have here like absolutely amazing risk reward ratios. But the main question is, will Litecoin hit the current all-time high in the upcoming bull market? And in my opinion, definitely, I don't know, but in my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna test this area, because you can see that the most bullish altcoins already are, let's say, from its all-time high, let's say down to like 15 or like 20%. But if we take a quick look on Litecoin, we are still down around like 75. I think that it's definitely possible that we are, for example, gonna reach like, let's say, these kinds of prices. So my price range is around like 336 to, let's say, $300, something like that, which is still from this level pump around like 180 to 224% of the net market move. So yeah, definitely it's possible that we are gonna in the upcoming bull market reach these prices. Of course, I can be wrong, we can break the current all-time high and then we can fly to like 1k, but as I said, I don't want to bet my money on this. So the only way that I'm opening here some let's say trading position will be in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of that important resistance area, and then I will want to trade this move. But probably I'm not gonna keep the position open till we hit the all-time high. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. Definitely you can type me in the comments what are your price prediction for Litecoin for this year, or for example for this bull market. We can definitely have some conversation. And yeah, if you want to, for example, copy my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.